Alright guys, muna get the grape planting sa itong mga strawberries. So we have 25 pieces nga honey eye o 25 pieces nga sweet chili. So muna niya itong honey eye here. So soil mix natin is composed of coco peat at by mga vermicast apoy organic galing sa tambakan. And then we have carbonized rice hull. Carbonized rice hull, very dark. So na-cluster na ito sila, acclimatize na ito, nagikan ring highland, pero stay sa nato ni panaghano nato ni maayo ang runners niya, and then we plant it back to the farm which is highland also. Alright, hopefully managhan.